Timing is everything. Upon arrival and settling into my quarters on the temple grounds, I met an American from Chicago that had just finished his 72-hour determination, the culmination of the 21-day sit in silence. I asked him a number of questions about his experience, and the two things that have always stayed with me were these. When you are finished, you will look at grass and see green like never before. And then, later that day, before he left, he gave me this poem he had copied on rice paper by Markova, accompanied with an actual winged seed, which I've had for over 15 years. The meditation experience is alive. It is not a static process. It grows as you grow and evolve. There is no set speed. The poem is symbolic of so many things, from being a teacher to the concept of time and legacy. The winged seed is representative of the process of meditation and how it challenges old belief systems as the groundwork or realization of new ones are born. For example, the whole concept of failure and making mistakes resonates with me strongly. The drive for perfection, the concept of purity, and quest of mastery of consistency. Not just in a sporting sphere, but in everyday living, such as having an even-keeled temperament or the cultivation of relationship of all forms. So many attempts, within each attempt a gradient of achievement, meaning some were bang on successful while others weren't completed, and then you have abject failure. There are also so many stories that never took hold or just weren't viable but still served a purpose. In nature, nothing is wasted. The guide includes a video clip of the winged seed process revealed in the growth and maturity of trees, some seedlings, some large, and others that haven't taken root or have perished. Winged Seed, the poem by Markova. I will not die an unlived life. I will not live in fear of falling or catching fire. I choose to inhabit my days, to allow my living to open me, to make me less afraid, more accessible, to loosen my heart until it becomes a wing, a torch, a promise. I choose to risk my significance to live. So that which came to me as winged seed goes to the next as blossom, and that which came to me as blossom goes on as fruit.